Hello guys, this is Silver here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys a special strategy that you can use to scalp the boom and crash market. Alright, you can use this strategy to catch spike, and same time you can use it to take the regular candles. Alright, the small candles, you can use the strategy to take that also. Okay, now before I show you how the strategy work, I'm going to first of all share with you the indicator setting. Alright, after sharing the indicators and setting, then I will show you guys how the strategy work. Alright, so what I want you to do now is to make sure you stick to the video to the very end. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video because there are a lot of information I don't want you to miss. Okay, now for the setting, first of all, you are going to be clicking on this icon here, this one right here. After clicking on that, now you can see the first indicator we have here is the moving average, right? You click on it. Now you can see the parameters. We have the period, which is 55, the shift is 0, the method is simple, the apply to is low. Now under the style we have 3 pixels, the color is red. After that you click on save. Right, now the second indicator here is also a moving average, right? You click on it. The period here is 10, the shift is 0, the method is same exponential, the apply to is close, the style we have 3 pixels, this one the color is blue. Alright, then you click on save. Now for the indicator window 1, you are also going to click on this icon. Alright, then you search for the relative strength index. Now here the period you make it 1, the apply to is open, the style we have 1 pixel, the color you make it the color of your background. Now these are the levels, we have 15 and 85, right? After that you click on save. We are done with the relative strength index. Now when you finish setting up the relative strength index, the indicator window 1 will be formed. Now I'm bringing out this F icon here, so you are going to be clicking on this one in order to add the alligator under the relative strength index. Okay, now you search for the relative strength and the alligator. Alright, now you can see here are the period for this one, here are the parameters. Alright, so you make sure you copy everything you are seeing here on your screen and then you screenshot it. Or okay, it's either you copy it or you screenshot it. Alright, these are the settings. Alright, so after doing everything you click on save. Right, then you go back, you are going to have a screen like this one here. Alright, this is a very simple strategy to understand. Alright, so first of all you are going to be taking note of this. Now you see that the green line here is touching the oversold level, which is the 15 level here. Alright, what you are to do with this strategy is that you are going to wait for it to get to the oversold level. So whenever you see that the 15 level is being touched with the green line, alright, you are going to wait for a crossing. Alright, you wait for the green to cross above the blue line here. Alright, so whenever you see the green crossing above the blue, alright, on the main chart you are going to see also that price has broken above the red moving average, and the blue also will be crossing above the red moving average. Alright, so whenever you spot something like this, the crossing on the indicator window and the crossing on the main chart, alright, that is a signal for you to take entry. Alright, so whenever you see something like that, you are to take your entry from this area here, the crossing of the blue. So whenever you spot that the blue has crossed it, you are to go in for buy, and you are to hold till the green indicator here gets to the 85 zone. Alright, you can see this one here is for catching spike. Alright, so you can see it's either you enter immediately, you see the spike breaks above the red moving average, or you can wait till the blue cross above it and then you can take your entry. Alright, either way you are good to go. Okay, now that is it for the spike catching. Now for the regular candle, you are going to apply the same method. Alright, so whenever you see that the blue has crossed below the red on the main chart, and also on the indicator window you can see the crossing here. All right, you see the green crossing below the blue. So when you spot something like this, you have to go in for, like, let's say like 5 candles. All right, you are out. All right, so you can see that this is the 5 minute time frame, guys. Take note of that. This is the 5 minute time frame. So whenever you are taking the small candle, you have to take like 5 and you exit the market, because if you don't exit, whenever you are trading against spike, you cannot control your stop loss. All right, price will not respect your stop loss. All right, it will spike and break above your stop loss. All right, it's where the spike stop, that's where your stop loss will be taking you out of the market. Okay, so make sure you play safe whenever you are trading against the spike. So I will advise you just take like 5 candles and you are out of the market with this strategy. Okay, don't take more than 5. This is 5 minute time frame. Taking like 5 candle on the 5 minute time frame is like taking like 10 candle on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so that is going to be a lot of money. So make sure you stick to it and then you play safe. Okay, so I think that's going to be everything I have for you guys today. All right, I'll be ending the video here today. This is having a kind of busy day, so I don't want to make the video very long. All right, so I think now all that is left is for you to go and backtest the strategy for yourself, see if it's working, and then you can put your real money. Okay, and for those of you who are just coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure you do subscribe, turn on your notification bell, so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Thanks for watching. See you out.